Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic bank-grade money counter machine that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say this thing blew my mind a little bit. Not because how good it is and how kind of like heavy it is, which heavy translates into good quality, I guess, because of this one. You can't just like use like super low parts and things like that, like low quality parts. This actually, it's a good one. It's super easy to use. I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds with some cash I have, not just like the hundreds of thousands that you may use for this one. But in this one, the case about this one is that it can do everything. It can do, seriously can do everything. It can count how much money you have, the denominations. You can actually mix some currencies. It can print the serial numbers. It can print the codes. You can do it for, you can use it actually for like retail stores, like banks or financial institutions. So that's a good thing about this one. A few other good things about it. It comes with kind of like a quick starter guide over here. It also comes with the instruction manual in case that you want to read it. But the best thing about this one, besides everything that comes with this package with the instruction manual for you to comprehend how to use it and everything it does, is that it also comes with a cleaning pack over here, like a cleaning kit, so you can actually clean it super easy. It's not easy to get clogged actually, but I'll show that one to you in a few seconds as well. And a memory USB drive over there to actually save some stats over here, like the serial numbers, the denominations, the amount of money and everything. It kind of like put it in the safe places if you want. So that's a good thing. It also comes with another counter right here for like kind of like housekeeping. I mean, that's the proper word, but housekeeping situations that if you want to kind of like keep a track of it. And USB ports over here as well as a VGA extension over here for a monitor. This actually, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up. So I want to quickly show you the back over here. This is where you're going to access on the back as well for cleaning purposes, as well as cleaning from the front, the power cable, the turn on and off button. This is going to be your main line for this, another display that comes right here, as well as the USB ports and the VGA connector for an external monitor. So and here's how it looks from the front part. I'm going to actually reset right here because I was making some tests. So I was going to take that for reset. Remember that you got to install this ones right here. This is the most important part about installing this one. And also you got to do some kind of a test. If it is taking the bill like super easy and a little bit loosey, you got to kind of like use this over here on the counterclockwise or clockwise to actually adjust it a little bit. So I'm actually going to put it in the size of the bill over here. So that's perfect. I'm going to show it to you in a few seconds, but also see that you have so many options over here. You have the menu, you have the speed, you have the detail right here. If you want to kind of like have all the serial numbers and everything, you can batch it, you can print it, and you can add a timer as well, which I think is fantastic. But I don't have too much cash to actually test it right now, but I do want to show you a few things. So you put the money right back in just like this. That's it, super easy. Then you have the amount and how much money that is. You can see it on the screen over there. You do the same thing one more time. So that's the best thing. It keeps doing it in batches. So that's the best thing about this one. It gets the right amount every single time. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put a fake bill over here. So we're going to use this fake bill on the upper part. So when it finishes, it's going to detect that one. I'm going to show you what it does. So let's actually do it right now. See that? It's telling you that it has an error. So you got to kind of like check it out on your side and see what's going on. And this is going to be part of the actual log. If you print it, it's going to be in the log as well. So you can see that it keeps doing it. It detects the fake bills as well. So that's a really good thing. So this is a pretty complete and of course, super easy to use, but also versatile and with lots of options and everything that you have right here on this kit. So I think this could be used for a retail store and also like a bank or also like a financial institution. So it's a really good one for those situations. It never misses. I like it. I do recommend it. Quite heavy, get some space, but this one is a good one.